Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. Captain here, back with another video. So the upcoming iPhone 12 lineup is here with the dummies reveal the design of the backside. It's time for the another set of the iPhone 12 dummies. This time Sony Dixon, who get solid track record with the Apple leaks, has shown us the sizes of the upcoming iPhones. There is only 3 of them, since the iPhone 12 Max and 12 Pro will allegedly come with the same 6.1-inch screen. The dummies, as you can see on your screen, do confirm the rumor about the design changes. The smallest iPhone in the new lineup will have a 5.4-inch screen, while iPhone 12 Max and iPhone 12 Pro will pack a 6.1-inch panel. Finally, we have the 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max. The back of the side frame are looking flat as expected, while the camera module remains unchanged from the previous generation like iPhone 11 series. However, Sony Dixon did note that the camera count might not be accurate, as the non-Pro model are expected to come with 2 cameras and not 3. Also, the rumor LiDAR system on the Pros is missing. The chase's design, however, should be 100% accurate. And by the way, yesterday Apple iOS 14 get officially with the home screen widget picture-in-picture app clips. So yesterday Apple revealed its newest mobile OS version, iOS 14. It brings a bunch of new features, most of which will seem eerily familiar to Android user. Home screen widget are now a thing. For example, widget are also more data rich and now come in a variety of sizes. The today screen is not going away, but you have to option to use widget on your regular home screen as well. So guys, let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for the upcoming iPhone 12 series? And make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out. Bye bye.